Your Honor, I was told po that they had a relationship. Ang pagkakaalam ko po that naging mag-on po sila. Naging mag-on po sila.
Okay, so you met Mayor Kalugay through Dante Katabay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, baka gusto pa namin i-pursue yan. But continue muna, paano mo na-meet si Guo Huaping? At anong papel ni General Macapas?
No, they were just requesting if it is possible po kaya na kasi there was a talk na mag-surrender po si Miss Alice.
Who's
So,
talk?
so ang nangyari
Who's
po,
talk that she would
then,
surrender?
meron pong mga sa newspaper na magsusurrender po si Miss Alice. So meron na po kasing lumabas that time na warrant from your office.
From the Senate.
From the Senate po.
Mhm.
So I talked to Mayor Kalugay if there is a way for him to contact Miss Alice.
Bakit mo naisip na through Mayor Kalugay makokontak mo si Guo Huaping? Anong pagkaalam mo sa ugnayan nila?
Sa pool?
Are they business partners, for example?
I don't think so.
Your Honor, I was told po that they had a relationship.
Told
Oh.
by?
Kasi po,
What kind of a relationship?
ang pagkakaalam ko po, sir, but I've never seen them together. But I will tell you, ang pagkakaalam ko po, that naging mag-on po sila. That's
Okay,
it.
so that's why you asked Mayor Kalugay paano kontakin si Guo Huaping.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
kinikilig to si Alice Go. Kita mo?
Natatawa pa
Guo
ako. Your
Huaping.
Honor.
She's squirming on
Okay.
her.
Okay, sandali lang. You're not yet recognized to speak at this moment. So, Miss Maslog, after nagtanong kayo kay Mayor Kalugay, paano nyo kinontak si Guo Huaping?
Actually po, in fairness to Mayor Kalugay, he said po, he does not want to involve himself.
Okay,
And
so
he
paano nyo
has no
finally
way-
na-contact
He
si Guo
said po,
Huaping?
he has no way of contacting Alice.
So, paano nyo siya na-contact?
So what happened po was so we backtrack and
Madam Chair,
Senator De La Rosa.
gusto ko lang maklaro, Madam Chair. Paano ka nakapasok sa eksena? Were you the one who volunteered to General Macapas or Macapas approached you? Which is which?
aware po kasi sila na magkaibigan po kami ni Mayor Kalugay. That is the only reason po.
So, you mean to say, si General Macapas ang kumontak sa'yo, natulungan mo kami na mapasurrender si Alice Go.
Yes, sir.
Siya ang,
We are actually, sir, I don't know how to explain it. Like, kasi meron na nga pong warrant during the time po, sir.
hindi. Tanong ko is, yung paano nag-start ito? Ikaw bang pumunta kay Macapas, nag-volunteer ka, or si Macapas pumunta sa'yo para humingi ng tulong sa'yo?
I wouldn't say they were asking for help. They were just saying po na if it is possible to contact the good mayor. If
Ikaw,
he knows
klaro natin,
po-
ikaw ang nilapitan ni Macapas.
Yes, sir.
Why in the world? Bakit ikaw pinunta ni Macapas?
No, sir, it is like what I said po, sir. They are aware of my friendship with the mayor.
So meaning to say, matagal ka nang kilala ni Macapas.
Yes, sir.
Matagal ka nang kilala ni Macapas, ha?
Yes,
So nilapitan ka niya para tumulong.
yes, sir.
Okay.